We are at an abandoned water park. We flew into Hue, Vietnam and ventured into the jungle in search of a hidden dragon. This park was left to decay for years, creating a hauntingly beautiful structure that needed to be explored. What's in there? Good morning. It is 4 a.m. in Hue, Vietnam.
And we are going to sneak into an abandoned dragon water park.
I don't know if this is legal. I don't know if we'll get in trouble. I don't know if we'll get kicked out.
There is a security guard that usually stands out front that will stop you from entering or ask for a bribe. So we're up at 4 a.m. right now, and we're gonna walk 6 miles to try to sneak into this water park and avoid the security guard. I was walking underneath one of these awning things and somebody threw out a bucket of last night's garbage, and they were not expecting me to be there at 5:30 in the morning. It got me. My feet are soaked.
You stink really bad.
Dang it.
Let's go. I don't know if we're supposed to be here.
The security guard wasn't here, so we're just sneaking in.
Now we're searching for this dragon, the dragon park?
The abandoned dragon.
I don't know if this is a real thing or mythical creature.
It's a real thing. I'm so excited.
I hope we're going the right way. It said the security guard rides around on a motorcycle, so I'm thinking about jumping in these bushes any chance I get if it comes to it. Directions to the dragon? What, is there a dragon around here?
We found it. We found it. I can see the dragon. Look at it. Race you to the top.
All right.
You got a head start.
Which way to go? Creepy.
Only up from here. Wow. We're in the mouth of the dragon.
This thing is so sweet.
So cool. So awesome. Definitely recommend coming here, even though it's technically illegal.
Yeah, we didn't say it, but we didn't say to come here, but I think
Yeah,
you should.
come here.
Beautiful.
The abandoned water park.
See it?
Yeah. Slides and everything. This is cool.
No. You going down?
Oh, it's touched the wall. Don't touch the wall. Ah, get out of here. I'm good. Oh! Oh! We're good. Ah! Ah! Spider web. We don't go that way. The spiders live there. We'll turn it around. Different slide. Next slide. More pool. Bridge.
Oh, should we go off into the jungle?
Yes. Which road should I take? Alice asked the cat.
This one?
This one it is. So they say that the reason why this Dragon Water Park is abandoned is because it's built on land full of tombs and old temples, and so all of the locals say that it's haunted. And after hanging out here all morning, you could definitely say it's a little haunted. It's a little eerie.
It's creepy here.
It is creepy. It's really creepy. So we're standing where a bunch of people sat to watch a dolphin show. Right there. We used to have dolphin shows when this place was open.
Do me a dolphin trick. You would sell this amphitheater out. Yes, please.
Let's see if we can afford anything.
I don't know, stadium prices are so high.
Stadium prices.
Hello. Xin chào.
Oh, so hot.
Oh, yes.
Too hot.
Down here.
Thank you.
Oh, 2 water and 2 coca?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Vietnamese cảm ơn nhiều.
Thank you.
They're so cool. This is what I need right now. She gave us a free banana. I need this so bad right now.
You take the wrapper off.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so
Thank you so
much.
Cảm ơn nhiều Vietnamese. Cảm ơn nhiều.
Come on, new.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for the gammon new.
Yeah, okay.
That was cool. That was such a cute, perfect little place to stop for a cold drink and to rest after walking 7 miles and climbing a dragon. And then she taught us to say thank you very much in Vietnamese at the end.
Gammon new.
Come on, new.
Gammon new.
Come on, new.
Gammon new.
I think we're saying it right. We need a little more practice.